Assalamu alaikum to all of you. I welcome you all for the academic session 2020-21. So here we are going to start our new lesson, that is basic concepts in geometry. What are the different basic concepts included in geometry? We are going to discuss over here. So we will discuss all these concepts one by one. First one is point, second line segment, third line, fourth ray, and fifth one is plane. So the first one is point. What do you mean by point and how we can define point? So we can give the answer to this question. A tiny dot is known as a point, or a tiny dot is known as a point, and we called a tiny dot as a point. So here in this figure you can see 3 points are there: point P, point A, point T. All these are the points. So we will also see another example for the point A, point B, point C. So this is all about the point. Our next topic is line segment. What do you mean by line segment? When we join 2 points together, here in this figure you can see point A and point B. When we join these 2 points together, we will get a line segment. This one is also a line segment. Line segment. So how we can give the name to the line segment? We can give the name to the line segment with the help of by using 2 letters or 2 alphabets together. Here you can see 2 letters A and B are used to give the name to the segment, line segment. Okay. So we can read it as segment AB, segment AB. Okay. So this is all about the segment. Now the next topic is line, or the next concept of geometry is line. So when we draw a line segment on a piece of a paper, and when we extend this segment from both the sides or both the directions, from point A and from point B also, then we will get a line. Okay, we can represent a line with the help of headed arrow. You can see in this figure, we can represent a line with the help of headed arrow. Here you can give the name to the line by using 2 letters, that is PQ. Okay, PQ. You can also use 1 letter at a time, that is L. Here you can see in this figure. So you can give any name to the line from A to Z, line L, line M, line N, whatever you want. Okay, so this is all about the line. Now the next topic is ray. Okay, you can see the sun rays, or you can also see the rays which are emitted from the torch. So how will you define the ray? So we can define a ray is a part of a line which starts from 1 point. Okay, in this figure you can see this one is ray, and it starts from 1 point, that is P, and it goes on forward in the same direction. So we can give the name to the ray by using 2 letters PQ, and we can read the ray as PQ, not QP. Why? Because the origin, the starting point of this ray is P. So we can read it as ray PQ, not as ray QP. Okay, understood? Now the next one is plane. How we can define the plane? A flat surface, any flat surface is known as a plane. Okay, in this figure you can see this figure, plane. A flat surface is known as a plane. We can give the name to the plane by using the letters. Here we use letter M to this plane. So this is our plane, and you can also see 3 points, point A, point B, point C. So we can say all these 3 points lie in the same plane, that is M. So we can see another example for the plane. Here a flat surface of a table is known as a plane. This one is also a plane. So this is all about the plane. So what we have seen today? point, line, line segment, ray and plane. Okay, so point, a tiny dot. We can show the line with the help of headed arrow, which may contain 2 or more than 2 points. Line segment, ray, it starts from one point, that is known as origin, and it goes on in the same direction. Then plane, any flat surface is known as a plane. So this is all about the basic concepts of geometry. In the next video we will see the next topic. Till then, have a nice day. Take care of yourself. Thank you.